What if Cadillac decided that luxury shouldn't stop where the road begins? Imagine an automobile brand famous for plush sedans, creating an experience so indulgent you'd forget you were on a highway. Welcome to ANIFLICK CAT, where design, technology, and mobility converge. Today we dive into the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a machine blurring the line between grand touring and five-star hospitality. This isn't another RV. It's Cadillac's vision of what happens when cutting-edge engineering meets a century of craftsmanship. The moment the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome appears, stereotypes about boxy campers dissolve. Its bodywork feels sculpted, not bolted. Sleek panels sweep into aerodynamic edges, anchored by Cadillac's vertical LED lighting. Instead of a blunt front cap, a gloss black fascia recalls the Escalade IQ, flanked by adaptive headlamps and hidden grille, shutters that channel air efficiently, slide out sit flush, preserving a flowing profile. Windows mount seamlessly, chrome accents trace the beltline, and side cameras replace bulky mirrors. Buyers can choose pearl over obsidian or silver over sapphire finishes, each ceramic coated for lasting brilliance. Forged 22-inch alloys balance elegance with strength, completing a stance that looks more concept car than campsite rig. Step through the flush electric door and the highway disappears. The cabin radiates calm. Open-pore walnut runs across the fascia. Semi-aniline leather wraps the seating, and brushed aluminum frames ambient LEDs. The lounge greets with a sweeping power recline, sofa facing a retractable 75-inch OLED. Above, an artificial skylight mimics daylight by noon and a constellation glow by night. AKG-tuned speakers flood the room with cinematic audio. To the left, a chef-grade galley hosts induction burners, steam convection oven and wine chiller, turning travel cooking into ritual. Soft close cabinetry hides lined storage so nothing rattles underway. Toward the rear, serenity reigns. A full-size king mattress with memory foam and dual zone. Climate cocoons you while cedar-lined wardrobes. Rival boutique hotels. Nightstands integrate USB-C and wireless charging. The bathroom elevates expectations. Heated marble floor, rainfall shower, and a smart mirror displaying weather, traffic, or wellness stats. A discreet laundry module supports week-long trips without laundromats. Cadillac blurs home and road here, making luxury about feeling settled, not just impressed. Beneath the glamour sits serious engineering. Cadillac developed a bespoke unibody frame, blending heavy-duty truck principles with Ultium EV architecture. Two powertrains answer different drivers. The standard 6.2-liter V8 delivers about 430 HP through a 10-speed automatic, ample for a 26,000-pound coach, especially when climbing passes. Adaptive air suspension self-levels on uneven pads, keeping occupants serene. Opt for the dual-motor Ultium AWD, and the future arrives roughly 580 HP, 700 plus lb-ft, and Nero 60 in 6.5 seconds. Instant torque makes merges effortless even fully loaded. The 200 kilowatt battery yields 280-300 miles per charge, with 80% DC fast charging in about 45 minutes. Regenerative braking tames descents, sparing pads. Rear axle steering shrinks the turning circle, invaluable in towns. Multi-link geometry ensures the ride glides rather than wallows. Long, interstate hauls feel like business-class air travel. Technology exists to assist, not overwhelm. The cockpit centers on a sweeping 49-inch OLED integrating gauges, infotainment, and augmented reality navigation. Points of interest overlay the windshield for lane and exit clarity. Voice or gesture adjusts blinds, dims lights, or finds the nearest charger. A 12-inch corridor panel monitors water, power, and security. Over-the-air updates keep features fresh. Aura Link, Cadillac's app suite, lets owners check battery, deploy the awning, or pre-cool the cabin remotely. Dual-band Starlink internet supports streaming or remote work from anywhere. A 360-degree camera array and autonomous camp assist. Align the rig and extend jacks. Automatically RV ownership. Redesigned for simplicity, safety anchors the indulgence. The coach carries Cadillac's full driver assistance suite. Super Cruise on mapped highways. Adaptive cruise blind zone radar. Lane centering and collision mitigation. High-strength steel and composites manage impacts, while cabin monitors detect smoke or carbon monoxide and cut power automatically. Biometric locks and facial recognition guard entry. Sensors detect pets or children, sending alerts and stabilizing climate. Automatic fire suppression adds another layer. This is mobility with peace of mind. Luxury commands a premium. The V8 model starts near $395,000. Ultium EV around $450,000, and fully optioned builds approach $520. Zircor, that aligns with boutique. Class A RVs yet adds Cadillac heritage, warranty and curated service. Gas owners plan routine maintenance. EV drivers enjoy lower fuel bills. Limited production helps residual value, and concierge support simplifies ownership. For entrepreneurs, Section 179 deductions can offset business use. For private buyers, it's a lifestyle statement. A rolling residence designed for decades of travel. What truly defines the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is balance. Exterior elegance fuses with interior serenity. Powertrains respect both performance and sustainability. Technology simplifies, safety stands guard quietly, and design honors a century of craftsmanship. Cadillac reframes RV living from roughing it with perks to boundless living. No longer must travelers ask what to leave behind, only where to explore next. Parked beside Yosemite, gliding along Route 66, or serving as a mobile boardroom, this machine adapts. For those who see the horizon as an invitation and value craft over compromise, Cadillac's first motorhome stands alone. Prestige, privacy, and power with a view. That concludes our deep look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. If this glimpse of rolling luxury sparks your wanderlust, subscribe to ANIFLICK CAT, drop a like, and tell us where your first journey would begin. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep redefining the road.